This video takes Voxnow Moonlight Kit as an example. Loosen the 4 screws on the back of the camera and remove the rear housing. Use the crowbar in the package to disconnect the coaxial cable from the camera and remove the cable. The coaxial cable and its connectors are vulnerable. Please be careful when disconnecting and connecting the cable. Connect the gimbal pre-built coaxial cable on the lens. Please be careful not to pull the cable. Fix the camera on the gimbal with firm 1.4L5mm screws. Determine the mounting direction of the camera on the gimbal by usage scenario. Gimbal upward, downward mounting. Avoid squeezing the cable when installing the camera. If the pitch motor of the gimbal spins unsmoothly or rebounds, it is generally caused by a tense coaxial cable. Please organize the cable and try again. Remove the cover of the coaxial cable on the top of the air unit. Then use the crowbar to disconnect the cable from the camera and remove it. Connect the coaxial cable from the gimbal to the air unit and reinstall the cover back.